What's up, y'all? It's your boy G, Bay Area, California, Aloha. In this video, I'm going to show entrepreneurs that want to start a carpet cleaning company, or any company for that matter, how to create a powerful print marketing strategy that is cost effective. Let's go. All right, so let's get right into it. In previous videos, I've talked about your marketing strategy and what's the difference between marketing and sales. With marketing, heightening awareness about your products and your services, and sales, converting your products and services into money. And we talked about how one is the precursor to the other, and if you nail one, which is marketing, it's going to make sales a lot easier. We also talked about two types of marketing. One is digital, that's websites, emails, social media, and print, which is business cards, flyers, and signage. In this video, we're only going to be discussing print marketing. We also talked about having a layered approach to your marketing campaign, understanding that you must employ multiple tactics in order for you to produce the best results for your marketing strategy. In this video, I'm going to discuss what things you need to do in order to have an effective marketing strategy. I'm not going to get into too much detail in terms of how to do these things, but simply what it is that you need to do. How to would probably be discussed in a later video. Okay, so let's get into print marketing. So assume you already have a logo, your contact information, and your website. The first thing you want to do is create business cards. Keep it simple, guys. The business card should be color, 3.5 by 2 inches on card stock. If you don't have the applications to create business cards, you can work with a freelance designer at Fiverr to design them. You can get cards printed at Vistaprint, or just go to your local FedEx office or Office Depot. You can get about 200 cards for about $40. Then take them with you and hand them out freely. This is very important, guys. Don't miss this. Don't ever be caught without a business card. You should always 100% have a business card on you at all times, because you never know who you will encounter and when you will encounter them. The second thing you want to do is create flyers. There should be different versions of your flyers depending on the specific demographic that you are targeting, such as military, seniors, etc. One version should be color, 8.5 by 11. Another version should be half of that, 4.25 by 11 on neon paper in black and white ink. You will staple a business card to the smaller one. Have plenty of these, because these are the copies that you will give out freely to those that inquire about your services. Place them on windshields, doors, etc. Be careful where you place these flyers, because a lot of places prohibit solicitors from placing flyers, trash, things like that on their property. Always keep a stack of these in your card. You can get about 50 of these for about $25. If you plan to acquire commercial accounts, you would need to create what's called a welcome packet. This consists of a solid color paper folder with your logo in the front. Inside it, it will be the color flyer that we created earlier, an abbreviated version of your proposal without the estimate, and a business card. When you secure a meeting with the decision maker of the company for cleaning services or whatever it is that you offer, you want to leave them with this folder so that they could look at it at a later time. If you find yourself not able to secure a meeting with the decision maker due to being stopped by a front desk associate or anyone like that, just provide the associate with the neon flyer that we created earlier that has the business card attached. You can create about 10 of these folders, welcome packets, for about $20. Of course, you want to consider uniforms and vehicle signage. You can get a couple of shirts screen printed for under $50. A magnet to slap on the doors of your car would run about $50 for 2. Vehicle signage is very powerful. Your vehicle is basically a mobile billboard that people are forced to view. Finally, you want to create review cards. This isn't going to be for every industry, such as food service or hair care. However, for some industries, this will be a powerful marketing piece. The reason why this card is important is because it reminds people to leave a review for your services on prominent sites. Good reviews bring in more business. On my card, I encourage people to like and leave a review on Facebook, Google, and Yelp. You can fit 4 of these on a regular size sheet of paper. You can get about 50 color cards made for about $30. So let's go over the cost. You can get 200 business cards for about $40. You can create an assortment of flyers for about $40. You can create a half dozen welcome packets for about $20. You can screen print a few t-shirts for about $50. You can get printed magnets for your car doors for about $50. You can print review cards, about 50 of them, for about $30. The total of that comes to about $230. Now this stuff is going to last you about 2 months. If you divide that in half, that's $100 per month. Just think, if you acquired at least one account per month, all this stuff would pay for itself in just that one account. Now, all you have to do is combine your print marketing strategy with your digital marketing strategy. Once you do that, I guarantee you will have a more powerful marketing strategy than about 90% of all new entrepreneurs out there. All right, so you're going to implement the strategies exactly like how I showed you. In a few months, of course, you're going to tweak and refine certain parts. You're going to reduce and eliminate the parts that are ineffective, and you're going to develop and grow the parts that are effective. And that right there is a recipe on how to create a powerful and effective marketing strategy that is perfect for new entrepreneurs. Thank you so much for watching. It's your boy G, High Tide Cleaning Services, Hawaii to the Bay. Aloha. If this video was of value to you, like, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, it's your boy G. Be blessed. I'll holler at you later. Aloha.